if I tell you that you can sew a bra without the need of an overlock and there is no seam on it, you probably think like, really? Well, let me show you how to do this. Hi guys, this is Alyona from BusinkaMania and today we are sewing top bra with the locks. Take your fabric and fold it in two, like I've done here. Grab our free pattern and just place it here. Grab your piece of chunk and outline the pattern. And don't forget to put the marks for your straps. When you are done, just grab your scissor and cut everything. When your pattern is cut, you need to attach the elastic. The elastic needs to be attached here, in front and in the back, all over the place. You take the elastic and you place the fabric in the middle, like you see me doing here, and fold it. After, sew with the sewing machine. We're gonna use a white zigzag. Find this on your sewing machine. For me it's number 6. So I'm gonna put number 6 here. Okay, done. Tension supposed to be on the number 3. Wideness of your zigzag supposed to be on the number 6. Yeah, and length supposed to be on the number 2. Put your fabric in the middle of the elastic and fold it, like you see me doing here. Start to sew and pull the thread from the back of the sewing machine. It will help your fabric to move. Don't stretch the fabric, only stretch the elastic. When you are done to attach your elastic, make sure to keep the marks for the straps. Now, we need to attach our elastic here in the bottom and on this side. Take the elastic, fold this and keep 2-3 centimeters of empty space for the locks. Place your fabric inside, fold this, keep free space and sew everywhere, here and here. When you are done, it should look this way. Our bra is ready. Now let's prepare the straps. To make the straps, you will need your elastic, 2 sliders and 2 rings. Take your strap and put this inside of the slider, like you see me doing here. Now we have here one open hole. Put your strap inside. You see what we have? Do the same with the other strap. Sew with the sewing machine here. We will need to use zigzag stitch. On my sewing machine it's number 3. Let's put number 3 here. 3. Tension supposed to be on the number 3. Wideness supposed to be on the number 2.5. And length supposed to be on 1.5. Now, when we finish to sew, we need to do small cleanup. Just grab your scissor, cut leftover of the thread. If you have some fluffiness here, just take the lighter and burn it. Now we need to take our ring and put the strap inside. Slide it a little bit, somewhere here. And you see this place, hole here in your slider? Take the end of the strap and put this inside. Exactly this way. On the other side, we're gonna have another hole. This strap supposed to go inside. This way. When you are done, you need to attach your straps to the bra. Take the bra and put the elastic inside of the ring, like you see me doing here. Grab the needle and fix this place. Do the same on the other side. You see here? Attach with the needle. Take the straps and put this exactly in this place where our marks are. Take the needle and fix this place. Do the same on the other side. Exactly here. Make sure everything is straight. Fix with the needle. Now we need to attach our locks. Take the locks and put this inside. You see here? Fix this place with the needle. Do the same with the other lock. Now take the other side and put in this hole here. As usual, fix this with the needle. Do the same with the bottom one. Go to your sewing machine and all places where we have our needles, we need to sew them. Here and here and in the back. bra is ready. It should look this way. Our locks from both sides. This is our straps. You can decide size you want. To sew this bra, you can use different fabric, different elastic. Here I was using different elastic and different lace. As I told you guys, this will be very easy. If you have any question, just leave your comment down below and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!